Hi, welcome back to our garden. I've got the third and final batch of potatoes here that I grew in these grow bags. These potatoes are different. Instead of buying the starter spuds like everybody recommends, I went to Trader Joe's and I bought organic potatoes. I set them in the closet, let them chit for a bit, and then planted them in the soil. So these are about a month behind my first batch of potatoes. Let's see what we find inside. Ooh, there are little potatoes hanging on here. Look at the potatoes. Oh, look. More potatoes, little tiny baby potatoes. Oh, look at this. Even more right there on the plant. Did you get bit?
I got stung.
I did too. I think this is about as close as I'm going to get to that bucket of potatoes. Clearly it's infested with bees. My associate and I just got stung. I can't believe I didn't notice it until I started to move the straw away from the bucket. Well, my associate and I, we just got attacked by bees. We had no idea that there was a bee's nest inside the fourth bucket of potatoes. They look awfully unhappy with us, so we've moved to a side location, safe location here in the yard, and we're gonna unturn these three. This first bucket was from Trader Joe's. They were russet potatoes. Let's see what we have. Here we go, bucket number 2. Oh, here we go. Here's the tag. Trader Joe's red. And it looks like I started with 4 spuds. 4 small spuds. The last bucket. These look like white potatoes. I can see some of them peeking through already. These are Trader Joe's 4 white. Oh, this one, look at this. Even more back here. So I worked with Trader Joe's potatoes this time. I bought organic potatoes and I sat them in the closet for about a week, maybe 2, till they started to spud, and then planted them right in the ground. They took much longer. So I have russet potatoes, red potatoes, and white potatoes, which means the bee-infested container are the purple potatoes, the ones I was most excited to grow. I guess the bees were most excited about them too. So pretty good yield today, starting with 4, 5, 6, 10. So pretty good yield today, starting with 10 potatoes just right from the grocery store. Not too bad.